weeks ago, this smartwatch didn't exist. Nowhere. Just an idea in my head. Now it's got a name, a price, a real website, and suppliers in China ready to build it. All from my laptop. No agency, no big budget. Just me, one crazy idea, and one AI tool. I didn't find this watch online. I invented it, just like my mom invented reasons to say no to snacks. Ha ha ha. So the tool that made all of this possible is called Accio 2.0, an AI sourcing agent built by Alibaba. Yeah, the Alibaba, the people who literally run global product sourcing. So when they build something like this, you pay attention. Now let me show you exactly how it works. Step 1, generate the product plus market research. So first, I typed a detailed prompt describing my smartwatch. Dark gray metal casing, rugged outdoor design, luxury aesthetic, visible white bezel, specific button placement, all of it. I even used AI to sharpen the prompt first so it was crystal clear. Then I fired up Accio's thinking model, the one built for deep, complex research, and hit start. What came back honestly shocked me. Accio pulled data from Reddit, Amazon, tech portals, YouTube videos, and luxury watch reviews, all analyzed within minutes. Market trend charts, demographic breakdowns, competitor pricing, trending features, the best positioning strategy, everything. This used to cost thousands of dollars and take weeks. Now it takes minutes. My college degree is somewhere crying. Ha ha ha. But we weren't done yet. Once the research was solid, it was time to get the product looking exactly right. Step 2. Refine the design plus technical specs. I went back in and started refining. Moved the orange button, tweaked the design, then asked Accio to generate full technical schematics and specs, the kind of professional breakdown you'd actually send to a manufacturer. Every single component, assembly instructions, recommended materials, testing guidelines, all of it ready to go. Then I asked for UX and screen design ideas for the watch's operating system too, because the inside has to match the outside, right? Accio gave me trend-based proposals. I picked a chronograph heritage style, and it generated a complete tech pack for that exact UI. This isn't a mood board. This is a real product brief. With everything locked in, the next step was finding someone to actually build it. Step 3, find suppliers plus send the inquiry. I asked Accio to find the right ODM suppliers and draft the inquiry message for me. It wrote a clean, professional message. Hi, I'm looking for an ODM partner to manufacture a high-end, rugged outdoor smartwatch, and I sent it straight through the platform. Suppliers in China started replying fast. You can even switch on AI auto-reply to keep conversations going while you sleep, which honestly is the dream. And speaking of dreams, wait till you see the store I built next. Step 4, build the e-commerce store. For the store, I had Accio generate the full landing page copy first. Product descriptions, feature highlights, all the copywriting, done. Then I took that into mocha.com, picked an e-commerce template, pasted the prompt, uploaded the product images I grabbed from Accio, and let it do its thing. The result? A fully custom, gorgeous one-product store, not a generic dropshipping page, an actual brand. My mom saw it and finally thinks I have a real job. Great colors, clean mobile design, compelling copy. Honestly, 90% done in one single shot, so let's put this all together. In about 30 minutes, I went from a random idea to a product with full specs, real suppliers in my inbox, and a live ready website. 2 years ago, this would have sounded insane. So what's your dream product? Drop it in the comments. I genuinely want to know. Try Accio from the link in the description, and if this helped you, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep hustling.